Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce the installation of our standard pallet wrapping machine. When you receive the machine, you will see the machine like this. To install it, there are 3 steps. First step, erecting the upright. Second step, connecting wire. Last step, testing. Let's do the demonstration. Firstly, let our engineers to erect the upright. Before that, you need to make sure the base is clean and put the wire into the hole. Now to erect the upright and turn the film carrier to the front. Now open the back board. When you open the board, you can see the screws. Then make the holes together and screw it to make the upright stable. Then pull out the wire. 3 sensor wires and 4 power wires. Then connect the wires to the terminal board. When you finish inserting the wire and power on, now to insert the film to the film carrier. You need to insert the film fully around the rubber rollers and go through to the guide rollers. Then turn on the switch and pour the film. Here is a picture to show you how to insert the film. Now let me show you the control panel. This button is for film tension. This button is to adjust turntable speed. This button is to adjust carriage speed. If there are some dangerous situations, you can just press this emergency stop. Here is the test screen. There are 2 modules available. The first one is manual module for testing. The other is setting to automatic module. Press 1. Here you can see the time delay. It means when the film carrier up to the highest position, it will continue going up for 2 seconds. The up circle means when the film carrier up to the highest position, the turntable will continue to turn 1 circle. And the same principle to the down circle. The up-down times means the film carrier will go up and down for 2 times, and the parameters can be adjustable according to your special needs. Now let's show you how the machine works. Before that, you need to press the auto start button to find the original position. Now you can load your pallet to the turntable. Now apply the film to the pallet and press the auto start button.